Hello everyone, welcome back again in Spateria channel. In this video, I will show the take screenshot on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for no new updated videos. About tutorials on Android and laptops from Spateria channel. Let's start. Type the snipping tool in the search bar. Click New. Select the area to take a screenshot. Click File and save it as. Select Format and Location. And this is the resulting screenshot using the snipping tool. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to no new updated video about tutorials for Android and laptops from Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.